What's happening tomorrow?
Duck hunting.
I don't know if you can see them. In the water, got 3 dead ducks. Jordan, what happened?
There was a flock over there and we shot them.
Did you hit one?
I think so.
You think so? What are you hunting with? Red Ryder?
A red rider.
Oh, we just had
BB gun.
a couple land right out away from us. A couple ducks just landed. They're too far though. Jordan, what happened? Tell them like it is. Oh my gosh,
It just flew right by.
Hurry, Jordan. We gotta shoot ducks. Tell the camera what happened.
We just had 2 flocks and a whole bunch of ducks got shot.
Dom, tell the camera what happened.
We had 2 big old flocks of bufflehead come on through, and they just kept flying by, circling around us, and we've just been unloading the guns on them.
Jordan, do you still like hunting? It's just long? Yeah. How heavy is that pack?
60 pounds.
60 pounds? Dang, that's heavy.
That's more
You gonna get up? Let's get up, we gotta go. Go on. Let's go. Come on, stand up. Stand up!
It's a little hard once you get back down.
Yeah, you gotta roll yourself over. Nice.
Oh.
Nice job.
I went duck hunting and I shot one right in the head with this tiny pellet. Right in the eye. Just shot it.
Right.
I did.